add a border around a paragraph, first highlight the text that you want to add the border to. Click on the home bar and then go to the icon that looks like a square with 4 squares in it. That's the borders button. Click on this and then you can select the type of border that you want, either a top border, left border, outside border, etc. To change the style of the border, click on the Borders button again and click on Borders and Shading at the bottom of the menu. This will bring up the different styles of border that you can apply to your text. Here you can change the colour, the width of the lines, the type of line that you want, and as we can see here in the Apply To section it says Paragraph. Press OK and it will update the style for you. Anytime you want to edit your border, make sure that you have the paragraph selected that you're editing. If you go back to the Borders and Shading menu, you can see there are different types of boxes that you can apply to your text. To change the distance of the border to your text, go back to the Borders and Shading menu and then click on Options. This will bring up the different margins. You can increase or decrease these measurements to add or take away space between your text and the page border. Press OK when done and OK again and it will apply it to your paragraph. To remove the border, navigate to the Border button again, click on this and then press No Border. This will remove the border from your paragraph.